Okay, today I am taking y'all on your very own helicopter ride. All I gotta do is insert y'all into this foam packet I made, and then we're off. Okay. Kinda hard to put it in, which is how I made it. So, give me a second to put y'all in. And all I did was throw it together. Okay. Okay, now y'all in. Now let me rim it up. And rim it up. Dirtbag brother got a hold of control and then messed it up. Told him to freaking leave it alone. Okay, now that I've done redialed it, it should work. And lift off. Yeah, I had it charging before I left the house, so I guess he must have grabbed it while I was gone. Well, I'll just have to make do with what I got. Yeah, one of our relatives bought it for me, and I had to redo the whole circuit board for it to work right. There's still a few bugs in the system, but it works pretty fine. Anyways, when I make my second video, this should be fixed all the way. And one more ride. See if I can make this one go all the way up. This phone's small, but the lightest weight right now tampers with it. So now I'm just gonna let it work its own course. And daredevil jump. It goes pretty high without nothing weighing it down. Even though it's the little tiny phone. Now let me go up and get this big bugger. It was a very soft landing, but it is still a-okay. Ah! Mayday, mayday! Turn down that. Oh! Okay. Oh. Done a lot of running, but I'm trying to find somewhere to flat to lay it. Oh, God. What the heck is this? Huh. That's where my mom's goose went. That's very interesting. Now, see if I can't put you off for one more small ride. Okay. Video, check. Now let's get this party started. Oh yeah, this plane is very sentimental towards the weight loss. I have no idea, but the purest ping on the bottom of this helicopter and it goes off. It's very ludicrous. Oh, and now for the final stunt. Super Daredevil drop. And here she goes. Yo, that sucked. Well, anyways, if you liked the video, comment, subscribe, and just tell me what you think. See you later.